Man, I might just chill tonight.
Puppy monkey baby. 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 Puppy monkey baby.
Mountain Dew Kickstart. Dew, juice, caffeine.
Civil authorities in your area have reported that the bodies of the dead are rising from their graves and attacking the living. Follow the messages on screen that will be updated as information becomes available. Do not attempt to approach or apprehend these bodies as they are considered extremely dangerous. I repeat, civil authorities in your area have reported that the bodies of the dead are rising from their graves and attacking the living. Follow the messages on screen that will be updated as information becomes available. Do not attempt to approach or apprehend these bodies as they are considered extremely dangerous. This warning applies to all areas receiving this broadcast. Tune in to 9:20 a.m. to get updated information in the event that you are separated from your television or if electrical service is interrupted. Civil authorities in your area have reported that the bodies of the dead are rising from their graves and attacking the living. Follow the messages on screen that will be updated as information becomes available. This station will now cease transmission, so please use your battery-powered radio. Tune in to 9:20 a.m. for further information.
Appointments with certain medical specialists. Seriously, people, TMI. Anyway, thanks to the Motel 6 mobile app, you can book a clean, comfortable room at Motel 6 on your smartphone and get a great rate. Then, when you get to Motel 6, you can check in. After you check in, your friends will be totes jealous. I'm Tom Bodette for Motel 6, and we'll leave the light on for you.
Breaking news. Numerous cities across Montana are currently grappling with an unprecedented surge in violence, wherein incidents involving scratches and bites have been widely reported. This distressing situation has instilled a sense of fear and bewilderment among the local population, leading to the proliferation of conspiracy theories revolving around a potential zombie outbreak. In response to these alarming developments, law enforcement agencies are vehemently urging residents to remain indoors and cooperate while they diligently work towards re-establishing order in the affected areas. As authorities tirelessly investigate the root cause of this turmoil, emergency services have been ardently attending to the injured individuals, with hospitals witnessing a notable influx of patients bearing bite wounds. In an effort to maintain public safety amidst this volatile circumstance, officials are soliciting the public's assistance in providing any crucial information that may aid their ongoing investigations. Meanwhile, they are actively engaged in ensuring the security and well-being of Montana's communities. It is of utmost importance for individuals to exercise patience in awaiting verified information, rather than succumbing to unsubstantiated conjecture, as this will greatly contribute to the overall effectiveness of the ongoing efforts. Stay tuned for more information.
Morning face. You get it when you don't sleep well. This is what happened to Linda.
The government of Montana has issued an administrative message for all of Montana, effective indefinitely. Due to the outbreak of a zombie virus in major cities in Montana, the state government has issued a lockdown of the entire state. All residents are urged to stay in their homes and avoid contact with others outside of their immediate households. All non-essential businesses are to be closed until further notice. Public transportation, such as buses and trains, will be suspended. All public gatherings, large and small, including sporting events, festivals, concerts, and conferences, must be canceled. All educational institutions, including public and private schools, universities, and daycare centers, must close. The state government is asking all citizens to take the following precautions: monitor news reports for updates on the zombie virus, avoid contact with anyone outside of your immediate household, stay home as much as possible, wash your hands often, avoid touching your face, wear a face covering in public. The state government is working diligently to contain the virus and will provide updates as they become available. The emergency alert system has been activated.
The Idaho Department of Health, in conjunction with the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, has issued an urgent contagious disease warning for Victor, Idaho. This warning is in response to the confirmed spread of the ZMB-10 virus, a highly contagious disease that originated in Montana. The ZMB-10 virus, colloquially known as the zombie virus, is an extremely dangerous, rapidly spreading pathogen. Symptoms include confusion, memory loss, extreme fatigue, loss of appetite, fever, coughing, sore throat, skin discoloration, difficulty breathing, and in advanced stages, loss of motor control and cognitive function. The virus is believed to spread through direct contact with infected individuals or bodily fluids. It is crucial to avoid contact with individuals displaying symptoms and to follow all safety guidelines and precautions. All residents of Victor, Idaho are advised to stay indoors and avoid all non-essential travel. Stock up on food, water, and medical supplies. Avoid contact with anyone displaying symptoms. Report any suspected cases to local health authorities immediately. Follow all instructions from local health authorities and emergency services. A quarantine zone has been established. Any attempt to leave or enter the quarantine zone without authorization will be met with legal consequences. Public health officials are working tirelessly to contain the spread of the ZMB-10 virus and are developing a potential vaccine. Until then, your cooperation is vital for the safety and well-being of our community. This is a serious and evolving situation. Regular updates will be provided as more information becomes available. No more information is available at this time. Tune into local news for further details.
Breaking news. Zombies have spread into Idaho. The Idahoan government and the CDC are working diligently to prevent the spread of the ZOM10 virus. We have just received a report that states that the UN Secretary General is going to give a speech about the crisis.
The following message has been transmitted by the Wyoming Police Department in conjunction with the CDC. The ZOM10 virus has been detected within northern Wyoming. The CDC has classified the ZOM10 virus as a zombie virus, which is highly contagious and is spread through saliva or mucus contact. If you experience any of the following symptoms, seek medical attention immediately: confusion, memory loss, extreme fatigue, loss of appetite, fever, coughing, sore throat, loss of motor control, skin discoloration, and difficulty breathing. If you believe that you have been exposed to the ZOM10 virus, please contact your local health authorities immediately. The CDC recommends that all residents of northern Wyoming take the following steps to prevent the spread of the virus. Keep a weapon. At all times, the infected are driven into a homicidal rage. Shelter in place and avoid contact with the infected. If you must come into contact with the infected, practice good hygiene and keep a weapon at all times. Thank you for your cooperation.
According to official sources, the National Guard has been deployed to eliminate the ZOM10 virus. If you are in the northern Wyoming area, please evacuate. These zombies are very dangerous and will kill anything on sight. You should also take precautionary measures. We have just received reports that the ZOM10 virus has spread to California. The virus was first found in an infected airplane on its way to Los Angeles. The virus then quickly spread all across Southern California. Well, for now, that is all we have. Stay tuned for further information. From Wyoming, we are Channel 5.
This is an emergency alert issued by Alberta Health Services. The ZOM10 virus, also known as the zombie virus, has been confirmed to be spreading rapidly in the province of Alberta. This virus is highly contagious and causes severe symptoms, including aggressive behavior, loss of cognitive function, and the appearance of deceased individuals becoming reanimated. Take immediate action to protect yourself and your loved ones. Stay indoors and avoid contact with others. If you must leave your home, wear protective clothing, including gloves and a mask, to minimize exposure to the virus. Keep doors and windows locked at all times. If you encounter an infected individual, do not approach or attempt to communicate with them. Call emergency services immediately. Stock up on essential supplies, including food, water, and medical supplies. Be prepared for potential disruptions in utilities and services. Stay informed by monitoring local news and emergency alerts for updates on the situation and any further instructions from health officials. If you or someone you know exhibits symptoms of the ZOM10 virus, seek medical attention immediately. Early intervention is crucial to prevent the spread of the virus and ensure the safety of the community. This is a serious public health emergency. Please remain calm and follow the instructions provided by Alberta Health Services and local authorities. Together, we can contain the spread of the ZOM10 virus and protect our communities. Thank you for your attention.
in an unprecedented move. The United States of America has declared a national emergency in response to the escalating.
This is a national emergency. Important information will follow. The ZOM10 virus, a zombie virus, has spread rapidly throughout the nation. As a result, the President has declared martial law and a state of emergency. It is imperative that all citizens remain indoors and take the necessary precautions to protect themselves and their families. All public transportation, including planes, trains, buses, and subways, are suspended until further notice. All public gatherings are also prohibited. Those who are infected by the virus should seek medical attention immediately. Do not attempt to treat the virus yourself. All citizens are advised to remain vigilant and to be prepared for any emergency situation. If you are in need of assistance, contact your local emergency services or your nearest law enforcement agency. No more information is available at this time. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is King 5. We will continue to serve the Seattle area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Seattle area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use.
$4098 8
Here he is, our new Prime Minister.
Her Majesty the Queen has asked me to form a new government, and I have accepted.
An emergency has been declared. Please stand by. An emergency has been declared. Please stand by. The ZOM10 virus, also known as the zombie virus, has been detected within the borders of the United Kingdom. Symptoms of this virus are as follows: confusion, memory loss, extreme fatigue, loss of appetite, fever, coughing, sore throat, loss of motor control, skin discoloration, difficulty breathing. It is imperative that all citizens adhere to these instructions: shelter in place, user, weapon to defend yourself, avoid contact with other people, wear protective gear, and dispose of any dead bodies immediately. Her Majesty's government is currently working to defeat these zombies. It is also recommended to wear a face mask. Keep in mind that this virus destroyed the US in just a month. Thank you for your cooperation.
Wees voorbereid om jezelf te verdedigen en draag een gezichtsmasker. Het ZOM10-virus heeft Nederland bereikt. Lees meer op NL ZOM10.
This is not a test. This message is being transmitted by the remnants of the U.S. government. All stations are to cease broadcasting after this alert. The ZOM-10 virus has spread to all areas of the contiguous United States and all areas of Alaska. The virus is believed to be airborne, highly contagious, and fatal. The infected individuals display symptoms such as confusion, memory loss, extreme fatigue, loss of appetite, fever, coughing, sore throat, loss of motor control, skin discoloration, and difficulty breathing. The virus is not limited to humans and has been observed in various animal species as well. The transmission can occur through bites, scratches, or contact with bodily fluids of an infected individual or animal. While survival is not guaranteed, if you wish to attempt survival, follow these instructions. If you have a safe, secure location, stay there. Do not leave unless absolutely necessary. Barricade all entrances and windows. The infected are violent and will attempt to break in. Avoid any contact with the infected. If you must engage, aim for the head. Stock up on non-perishable food and water. You do not know how long you will need to stay in your secure location. Keep yourself clean to avoid secondary infections. Noise attracts the infected. Stay as quiet as possible. While there may be other survivors, not everyone can be trusted. Avoid contact with unknown individuals. The president has been confirmed dead. All 3 branches have collapsed. You are on your own now. All stations will now cease broadcasting.
Emergency alert system. The zombie alert has been canceled. You no longer have to worry about zombies. You can go outside and talk to the people on the street. They are not zombies. They are not zombies. There was some confusion. We are only census workers. We need you to fill out form. There was lots of confusion. There's some type of confusion. The people on the street are not zombies. There is no such thing as zombies. Please go outside and talk to the guy at your door. He is just a census worker, and he wants to know how many people are in your home. Thank you for your cooperation.
Hier ist das erste deutsche Fernsehen mit der Tagesschau.
Guten Abend, meine Damen und Herren. Steuerhinterzieher sollen in Deutschland künftig nicht mehr so leicht straffrei.
Es tut uns leid, die normalerweise geplante Programmierung zu unterbrechen. Dies ist eine Notsituation. Bitte achten Sie auf diese Sendung ungeteilt. Für den Fall, dass Stromversorgungsdienste instabil wurden, können Sie bitte die zivile Verteidigung oder das batteriebetriebene Radio auf 97,7 im FM-Band verwenden. Diese Warnung betrifft das Rheinland. Um 10 Uhr Ortszeit wurde im Rheinland das ZOM-10-Virus entdeckt. Das aus Amerika stammende ZOM-10-Virus ist dafür bekannt, das Gehirn seines Wirts zu infizieren und ihn in einen Mordrausch zu versetzen. Die deutsche Regierung hat daher eine landesweite Ausgangssperre verhängt, um die Ausbreitung des Virus zu verhindern. Die Bürgerinnen und Bürger des Rheinlandes werden gebeten, ihre Wohnungen nicht und nur im äußersten Notfall zu verlassen. Alle öffentlichen Einrichtungen, einschließlich Schulen, Geschäfte, Restaurants und Bars, sind geschlossen. Es wird dringend empfohlen, dass alle Bürgerinnen und Bürger Deutschlands die Anweisungen befolgen, um die Ausbreitung des Virus zu verhindern. Auch wenn es für einige unangenehm ist, sich an die Ausgangssperre zu halten, kann dies dazu beitragen, das Leben aller Menschen in Deutschland zu schützen. Wenn Sie sich in benachbarten Regionen aufhalten, treffen Sie Vorsichtsmaßnahmen, um die Ausbreitung des Virus zu verhindern. Die normale Programmierung wird nun wieder aufgenommen.
Davon kommen. Das Bundeskabinett billigte heute einen Gesetz.
Добрый вечер, граждане России. Это Россия-1 с экстренными новостями о текущем положении дел в США. Еще месяц назад Соединенные Штаты были могущественной процветающей страной. Но за считанные дни оно было поставлено на колени новым вирусом, вирусом ЗИМ-10. Вирус ЗИМ-10 распространился как лесной пожар, заразив миллионы людей и убив тысячи. Правительство Соединенных Штатов не в состоянии сдержать распространение вируса. И кажется, что страна стоит на пороге краха. Это триумф великой России. Мы смогли защитить своих граждан от этого вируса, и наша экономика осталась сильной. Это
Правительство РФ объявило предупреждение об угрозе гражданской опасности для Ростова-на-Дону и прилегающих территорий. Вирус ЗАМ-10 американского производства достиг Ростова-на-Дону. ЗАМ-10 – это высокоинфекционный, заразный и смертельно опасный вирус, вызывающий превращение жертв в зомби. Он распространяется при контакте с инфицированным и может передаваться через слюну, кровь и другие биологические жидкости. Вирус чрезвычайно заразен и имеет высокий уровень смертности. Смерть наступает более чем в 90% случаев заражения. Симптомы вируса включают спутанность сознания, потерю памяти, сильную усталость, потерю аппетита, лихорадку, кашель, боль в горле, потерю двигательного контроля и когнитивных функций, изменение цвета кожи и затрудненное дыхание. В настоящее время лекарства от этого вируса неизвестно, однако российское правительство приняло меры по минимизации его распространения. В Ростове-на-Дону, а также в других районах страны организованы контрольно-пропускные пункты, чтобы не допустить выезда инфицированных за пределы города. Кроме того, власти призывают граждан принимать меры предосторожности, чтобы защитить себя от заражения, избегать контактов с инфицированными людьми, часто мыть руки и избегать больших скоплений людей. Если вы не находитесь в Ростове-на-Дону и получаете это предупреждение, примите необходимые меры предосторожности, чтобы замедлить распространение вируса.
Copa 2010, nesta sexta, 11 da manhã. Os nossos craques entram em campo para um grande clássico do futebol mundial.
A mensagem a seguir foi transmitida pelo governo brasileiro. Foram confirmados os relatos do vírus O10 no Rio de Janeiro. Procurem abrigo imediatamente. Esse vírus já causou o colapso dos Estados Unidos e das nações da Europa Ocidental. Se você vir alguém com os seguintes sintomas, alerte as autoridades de saúde. confusão, perda de memória, fadiga extrema, perda de apetite, febre, tosse, dor de garganta, perda de controle motor, descoloração da pele e dificuldade para respirar. Procure abrigo imediatamente e leve comida, água, o rádio a pilha, uma lanterna e pilhas extras. Não tente se aproximar ou capturar os infectados, eles são extremamente perigosos. Sintonize as estações locais para obter mais informações.